Hey, go hi, learners. This is Mubassar from Level Up Marketplace. Right now, we will be discussing about an outstanding value addition in all the apps that is called Knowledge Base. You can find it in the support section from here in Knowledge Base. And let's look at its functionalities right now. As you can see, these are the documents that are added in your agency level, and you can just look around and gain the knowledge from here as you need. You can add new documents from here by just adding the categories, create a new categories from here. You can add subcategory from here. Let's add the title. We are just setting an example at the moment. Publish. And now, as you can see in the bottom, when you scroll down, here you can just have a look of what you created. The main part is what is being added by on the default on knowledge base. You cannot just delete that, you can add it in the drafts. But when you just create a new document by yourself, you can just delete that from here. Let's discuss the other functionalities. You can add FAQs and or have a look on them that are already available. You can just add this as the same and follow the steps as we have discussed about the documents. And then there's the editor. From here, you can just add the new documents as mentioned, and these are the settings. You can just upload the logo from here as white labeled. You can just add the name, change it from here, the address, the phone number, the URL of that, and the details. And then you can add some branding details. You can just change the UI colors of your knowledge base from here. These are a variety of options available for the button colors, for the text color, and the card colors as well if they are provided. You can save in the bottom. And then there are the footer URLs in the bottom. As you can see, these details. You can add new details from here and just save this group. There's domain configuration. When you want to just get it white labeled, you can just add the domain in here and save it, and the user can use the URL given in here as white labeled. So these are the basic details that can be used on the agency level. You can also change the languages from here as well. And then these are some basic details, as I have already mentioned, that can be only accessed on the agency level, not on the sub account level. If you want to give access to any specific sub account, you can just copy the CSS link and head to boost the agency settings from here. Let me show you how to just create a custom link for your agency sub account. Right now we are on the agency settings, and we will be creating a new one for giving the access to any specific sub account. As you can see, we have already created one. It will be shown like we will be creating a new one. You can just link the icon from here. You can add in title for that specific sub account, paste that CSS link you just copy it right now, and then you can just choose from these options when clicked, and then also give the preferences for only the sub account or the agency too. And then you can choose the sub account on which you want to give the access from here. You can also choose the roles from here, if it would be the user, admin, or all. And then you can also give the permissions from the toggles. You can just enable for both of them if you want. Let's just save this and see what the results are on the sub account. Right now, we are on the same sub account on which we have given the access. As you can see, the same name for knowledge base, and this is the interface. These are the limitations being limited by knowledge base. You can have the look on all the things that are given from the agency level, but not, you cannot just change these things. So hope you like it, guys. Thank you so much.